Okay, so this is about the installation of actually what the Java JDK over there. Next thing, we will go with Eclipse. Before that, can everyone ping me as yes? So far, you're fine. I know that actually what you guys are not getting more interaction today because for the installation alone, I'm just walking through. Once we start with the programs, you guys will have a lot of interactions. Okay, cool. So
Morley,
yes,
I just have a quick question. Are
yes,
you sending us a copy of this instruction?
yes. So these
Okay.
documents, and then I'm also recording the session, right? So you will get the recording also.
Okay, thank you.
Good. Okay, cool guys. So next thing actually what we will see how to install actually download and then get your Eclipse over there. Okay, so for that before we will have a short break. Okay, then after that we will continue that. I just don't want to take in a full stretch. We'll have a 5 minutes break. 8-7 we will again start with the installation of Eclipse. Okay. Look, hey Hardis, we'll continue the session. Okay, so now we will see how to download and then install actually one Eclipse. Okay, so I'm just giving download Eclipse Photon. Photon is actually what the latest version. Okay, so I'm going with that. That is actually what is a one package from Eclipse over there. So we will take this. Going for the first URL. So here, if you see, you can see the packages come a little bit down. More downloads will be there. Okay, here you can see Eclipse Photon. Okay, click on that 4.8 because I know this is a stable one, good one. So that's why go for this. So here right now Windows 32-bit, 64-bit is there. Go for the 64-bit. I'm my because my system is a 64-bit. However, we know whether my system is 64-bit means go here to start, right click on my computer, properties. Here you can see whether it's a 64-bit or 32-bit. Mine is a 64-bit. Okay. So here 64-bit, once I click on it, you guys will get a zip file like this. Okay, you guys will get a zip file like this. So what you do, you guys actually go right click on the zip file, extract here, right click and then extract here. So you will get a folder like this Eclipse. That's it. Okay, so you download it and then directly you can use it here. Inside you will have an application, Eclipse application. Got it? So you just need to double click on it. So what we did, we just went to the Eclipse Photon. Here a settings icon here, Eclipse ID for Java W developers will be the first one. Okay, so click on that 64-bit. Okay, it looks like this. There are a lot of things are there, but we need this Java W ID. This is what I need. Okay, this is what we now downloaded. Then open this application, click on run. So that means we are not installing. So here what's happening is we are downloading and then we are directly using it.
Murali, I have a question here.
Yes.
Most of them goes for IntelliJ currently, right?
Yes.
Because the IntelliJ is more inbuilt with Maven. So why can't we go for IntelliJ?
No, it's not that most of them are going over there. It's still 50% actually what they are using Eclipse, 50% they are using IntelliJ. So that's why here we are still going with actually what Eclipse.
Which is better out of two?
I will say both are good only. Okay, nothing actually what this is greater than that or something. Both are still equal only.
Okay.
But still, actually, as you say, actually, but IntelliJ also is being used in most of the places. But Eclipse also is used in most of. So that's why we are just going with Eclipse over there.
Okay.
But usage level, there not be not much difference over there for Eclipse and IntelliJ. The small changes it will be there. The UI difference and all those things is there, and some little bit extra changes will come.
Yeah, I feel like Maven are more features they have that has, right?
Correct.
In Mohan, that's why people more moving towards
Uh,
integrated as
correct.
well.
Yeah, yeah, correct. For the developer point of view, actually, what they use most of the things. So for us, actually, what Maven under is a one setup, one time setup over there.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So that's why for us, actually, what both are same. Nothing a big challenge will be there using Eclipse or IntelliJ.
Okay.
Okay, good. So now I've double clicked on this Eclipse over there. Now I get actually what an Eclipse launcher. So in Eclipse level, what we need to do here is so first we need to create a workspace, then a project, then a package, then after that actually what we will create .java or .class file. Okay, that is what we will be doing it. So we will see one by one. So first thing is workspace. Workspace is what means the place where I need my entire code to be saved. Okay, so I'm just giving actually what I can browse, then I can choose my location, so wherever I want it. Okay, so I will create usually it will be there in C drive. I will actually what create in a different place usually. That's the thing. So for example, this step D drive Murli laptop. So here I will create a new folder. My latest workspace I'll just give. Okay, I will choose this, select the folder, and also I'll just open that location here also. As of now, it will be an empty folder here. I'm clicking on launch. Once I click on launch, you can see some dummy files will be created over the dot metadata, all those things. So this is a base where my codes will be saved. Whenever I'm using actually what the Eclipse over there in that workspace location, this is the place where my code will be saved here. Let it open. Okay, so for us, a workspace has been actually created for me right now. So now I will open that. I'll close this welcome screen. So this is what we will get. Okay, so we have created the workspace now. Next, we are going to create the project. Okay, so go to File, New. Here, go for Project. Then here you choose Java project. Otherwise, actually, what you can go for the Java folder, Java project. Okay, click on Next. Okay, so then give the project name. First, first project. Then I'm just choosing the environment as a keyword Java SE 1.8. Okay, 1.8 version actually what I'm using it right now. Then click on Finish. So what I'm doing, I'm choosing my project name as first project. Then the environment I need to choose it as 1.8 right now. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Then click on Finish. So now It will say, I'm going to change the UI perspective over there. Are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. Open the perspective. So what does that mean? Can you see here right now? A new icon called Java will come. See? A new icon, Java. Okay? The previous one is Java WE. Okay? Because what we downloaded was a J2WE. Okay? In the Eclipse level, can you see? Java IDE for Java 2E. Okay? So J2WE only actually what we have downloaded. So by default it will be in J2WE. So I am changing it to a normal Java project because for my learning, all the things Java project is enough for me. That's what we did. Okay. So now when I open this, you can see in the project level, I will have JRE system library. Then after that we have the source folder. Then we will have the bin folder. These are things we will be having. So GRE system library is what means, so where it will have actually what the internal commands. Okay, will have all my internal commands over there. So if I open this, can you see these are all jar files. If I open these jar files, here I can see a lot of dot class files. That is, these are all pre-built actually what class files which is present here. That is, if I'm going to give system.out.println, it's going to actually what print me the information whatever I given inside the system.out.println. Okay, so it's a one line code where I'm writing, but internally if you see there are 20 lines of code which is being written for that. Correct? But what we are doing with the help of these jar files, those informations, I'm utilizing it directly. Okay, so these pre-written codes are what being used from the GI system library. Java runtime environment. Okay, that is what the library we are using it over there. Clear? Then next, the GI system library is what? Then what is source folder? What is bin folder means? Source folder will consist of my .java files. Bin folder will consist of my .class files. That's it. Correct. Source folder will consist of my .java files. Bin folder will consist of my .class files here. Okay, that's what it will consist of. So if you see here, first project, inside that you can see source and then bin folder. Then settings, class path, project files are there, which are needed for my execution. Okay. So right now these two are empty. Source folder and then the bin folder are empty right now. Okay, so now what I will do, I have created the project. Next, I'll create the package. Package is kind of a folder separation over there. Right click, new package. First package, I'll just give something. A name I can give anything. Okay, so these naming conventions we will see later. Click on finish. Now I created the package. Okay, I can create multiple packages. Okay, then next, under the first package, right click, new, then class. So I created the package. The next is class. So package we have done. Next is the class. So here I will give my name, for example, print statement. That's my class name. Okay. As of now, I'll choose this package, this radio button. Then I will click on this public static void. What is public static? Hello. It is. Sorry. Got disconnected. Everyone can hear my voice now?
Yeah.
You can hear it. Oh, cool. Okay, let me come back once again. So now what I'm going to do, we have created the workspace, project, and package. Now I'm creating the .java class files over there. Okay, so right click on the package, new class. I'll give a name over here as print statement. Okay, then I'm choosing it over there actually what? This package. So difference between public and the package over there is simply a public keyword extra will come. Okay, internally what is that? All those things we'll see later. As of now, this is public, this is package. Okay, then I'm choosing a public static void main, this checkbox. Okay, so what are this checkbox? It helps me to get a main function. Okay, so do we need a main function or not? It depends on this. Only when we have a main function, I can execute my program. Then I'll click on finish. Okay, so I'll just close these unwanted as I just want to make it clearly visible. That's the one thing. I'll increase the font size also. Go to Windows, Preferences, Font. Go to the basic. Come a little bit down. Text font. Edit it. Make it as 12. Okay, so we got this. So you can see package, first package. Okay, because we created it under the first package. Then after that, class print statement. Print statement is the name of the class we given. Okay, so always a program will be written in Java. The keyword starts with class and then the class name. We have choose actually what the checkbox public static void main, right? That's why we're getting this public static void main. Okay, only when we have this main function, then only I can execute my program. Got it? Then only I can execute my program here. Then inside this, I'm just typing SYSO control space enter. Okay, so this out will be there, right? Just click on enter. That's a shortcut. Okay, then here in double quotes, I'm just printing hello world. Now right click, run as Java application. It brings me hello world in my console. I'll just drag and drop here. Okay, so I'll create another class. Right click on the first package, new class. Can you see source folder, first project SRC? So that is the first project SRC. Under that, we have a package name called first package. So if you browse here, I have different packages. I can choose whatever I want. So as of now, I just want to go with the first package. I'm going there. Then after that, I'll give a name, learning Java. I'll give a class name. Then as of now, I will go with this public keyword. Then now I forgot to click on this public static void main checkbox. What will happen? Okay. Now I'm going to forget to click on this public static void main checkbox. Click on finish. Can you see? The package name is first package. Then public class learning Java. Before, when we choose this package, instead of public radio button, we got this class learning Java. If we select this public keyword, extra, the keyword called public will come. That's the one difference. Okay, can you see? Class print statement. Same thing here. Class learning Java. Then after that here, inside this, I am going to actually what get my main function. In case if I forget to get my main function, what is the shortcut to get the main function means? So simple, just type MAIN. Then after the control space, enter. Okay, MAIN, control space, enter. we will get my public static void main. Got it? Okay, so the shortcut is what means IMAIN control plus space plus enter button. Got it? Control plus space plus enter button. So I don't want to execute this line. That means just give double forward slash. That will not execute this line. Got it? So once again I do MAIN control space enter gets me my main function. If I want to print something, SYSO control space enter. Then in double quotes, just give hello world. The shortcut is SYSO, same thing, control plus space plus enter button. That gets me my system.out.println. To run the program, right click, run as Java application. I can do like this. Otherwise, here I can click on this run, learning Java. Otherwise, I can click on this button. Then I can choose which file I want to run. Otherwise, run as Java application. Or I can click on this run, then click on run. Or I can click on this run as Java application. These are the different ways I can execute my program here. Got it? Any questions so far? If everyone right? Any questions? Okay, cool. So now, everyone clear, guys? Can everyone give me a CS if you have understood so far? Okay, good. So now, let me actually ask someone. So, can you guys help me over there actually to
Yes, sir.
yes. Is any question? Hello. Sorry, your voice is breaking. Hello. Okay, so let me close this Eclipse. I want someone continually to open this Eclipse and then do it. I'll ask, hey, hi Robert. Can you help me how to do this?
Yeah, hi, Marley. Yeah, double click on the Eclipse application,
Yes, double click.
then run.
Yes, I can click on run. So here, if I having it in C drive or something, I want to change the location, browse, and then
Right.
you can change the location. As of now, I want to go with this one. What I need to do?
Oh, just click launch.
Yes. Okay. So we are open. Now, next, thanks, Robert. Thank you so much. Now I'll ask a hi, Hari.
Yes.
Hello. Hey, hi. Now can you help me to create the project?
Can you right click on the project, the first project,
Uh,
on the package? Yeah.
yes. Yes, now
The new.
go to new.
and then project.
Yes, project.
Yeah, we can choose and then give the name.
Correct. So which one I need to choose right now?
Java project.
Yes, Java project here. Otherwise, under the Java folder, Java project. Yes, click on next.
Yeah. Q&A project name.
Yes, I'll just give second project. Yes. Then
This is fine. I think one
user environment is 1.8.
one dot eight. Yes. Finish.
Super. So what are things we will have here?
The source and then also the compile. Once you compile, you might get that bin
Correct.
folder.
Yes. So if I go to the original folder location, right click on the project, properties, I'll click here. So this is the first project, second project. So here, source folder and then the bin folder. Okay.
Correct.
So the first project level, we have created some files, right? If you go to the source folder, first package, second package. Under that, can you see the Java files?
Yeah.
Right click, and then when you click on edit, can you see whatever we have written the code, the same code we can see here. Okay. The same thing if I go to the first project bin folder, this is a class file. If I right click, when I try to edit it, can you see? I will not be able to understand anything because whatever informations we have in the dot class files can be understandable only by the JVM alone. Got it? So it's so safer over there. No one can read your informations when we have one in the dot class files alone. Good. Hey, thanks, man. Now next. Hey, hi, Sanket. Hey, hi, Sanket. You there? Hey, hi, Shailaja. Hey, yeah, Sanket. Sanket, can you help me right now? So we have actually what open the Eclipse over there. Can you help me how to create the, we have created the package. Next to what? I need to create the
Class.
package.
Okay.
Okay, can you help me to create the package?
Yeah. Right click.
Right click.
New. Create a
New.
package.
Yes, a package. So I'll give something first pack, correct. Then click on
Yes.
finish. So now I need to create a class. How I need to create the class?
And again right click.
Right click, new,
New. And Java class.
yes, class. I'll give a name simply.
If you want a main function, we have to include the public static void main.
Correct. So what is the difference between the public radio button and package radio button as of now?
Uh, I don't really
No,
know.
it's just actually what when we give public, here it will come public class and then my class name.
Okay.
Like,
If they give the package, only the class name will come. Correct.
correct. That's the one difference as of now. The remaining original difference we will see later. As of now, just when you select the radio button, if you
Okay.
select public, extra public keyword will come. That's the one thing.
Okay.
Okay, good. So in case as of now I forgot to get my main function. Okay. Let it
Okay.
first actually what create with main function, then we will delete it. Good. Okay, we are getting the class, my class name. It's under the package, first pack, then my main function. Okay, good. Thanks, Anil.
No.
Next. Hey, hi, Shailaja. You're there?
Yeah, yeah,
Good. So now I forgot to actually what get my main function.
yeah.
Can you help me? What is the shortcut to get my main function?
Main, you type main in small
Yes.
and control space enter.
Yes. Control space, then
Enter.
enter.
Yeah, then select that. Yeah.
Yes. Then I want to print hello world. Can you tell me what I need to do?
S SYSO
Yes,
and then
please.
control space. Yeah, control space enter. So
Super.
I can print. Yeah. Hello world. Yeah.
Double quotes, hello world.
Yeah.
Right click, run as Java application.
Run as a Java application.
Yes, correct. So what are the different ways that I can run the program?
What are the?
Different ways I can run this program. One, right click on the program, run
Or we
as.
can click the icon of a run button there above. Yeah,
Yes,
green icon. Yeah.
correct. Otherwise,
Otherwise, we can right click and select yeah,
run, run as actually what Java application
Java application.
anyway. Okay,
Yeah.
all the different ways I can do. Good. Thank you. Thanks, Sharija. Okay, guys. So everyone clear about the installation of. So what are the things we have seen today? Means it's like we have seen the installation of JDK, then setting the path of JDK bin folder where in environment variables. Okay. Then after that we download Eclipse and use it. Then we saw how to create a workspace project package, then a class file. And then also we saw what will be there under the source folder and then what will be there under the bin folder. That also we saw. Okay, source folder will consist of the .java files. Bin folder will consist of the .class files. Okay, that's what we have said. And then we also saw how to write a basic Java program and execute. That is what we have seen today. Clear? Any questions for anyone on this coverage today, whatever we have done? Anyone has any questions? And also we saw the shortcuts for main and system.out.println. That's
Print. Yeah.
got it. Any questions so far? Anyone has any questions?
No, Murli. We'll try today and before that tomorrow's class.
Super. Yes. So with this, I will be stopping for today. I just want everyone's mail ID so that I can just forward you. So what I will be doing is every day once the session is completed, I will be actually forwarding you guys actually the recordings and then the today's class files, everything. So for example, it will be like this. So what is the topic we have covered today and then the YouTube URL. Then after that actually the assignments for today, anything, and then the code fields today, whatever we have seen, I will be forwarding to you like this. Okay. So I can expect everyone to just ping me your mail IDs in the chat window so that I can just forward you the details. I just want from everyone so that I can just forward you to the mail ID.
Hey Murali, do you already have mine? So do you want me to give it again?
You send me in WhatsApp, Hari, right?
No, I sent it here only last week, I think.
Oh, okay. Last week, okay. Last week, guys, mail IDs I already have. Today,
Okay.
someone else came, right? So I just want their mail IDs only. You use is there, Ari. I'll be forwarding.
Okay, thank you.
Good. Okay. Okay. Cool, guys. So I will forward you today. Okay. Thanks, guys. So tomorrow we'll again meet by the same time. Thank you.
Thank you.